Curry, a dish so rich in flavor, so full of history, that it has become one of the most beloved meals across the globe. From the fragrant curries of India to the hearty variations found in the UK, curry has traveled the world, influencing cultures, economies, and even politics along the way. But how did this spice blend become such a global sensation? Today, we're exploring the story of curry, how it began, how it spread, and how it continues to evolve. The story of curry begins in ancient India, where spices were cultivated and used for both culinary and medicinal purposes. The word curry itself is believed to have come from the Tamil word curry, which means sauce or relish. In India, curry refers to a variety of dishes made with different meats, vegetables, and a complex blend of spices. But it wasn't until the British colonial era that curry began to spread to the rest of the world. During British rule in India, the British took an interest in the country's rich and varied cuisine. They began to incorporate Indian spices into their own cooking, and curry became a popular dish among British colonists. But it wasn't just the British who were influenced by curry. As the British Empire expanded, curry began to spread across Europe and into other parts of Asia. One of the most significant moments in curry's global journey came in the early 19th century, when the British began to develop their own version of Indian curry, often referred to as Anglo-Indian curry. This simplified version of curry typically included curry powder, which was a pre-made spice blend, making it easier to prepare in Western kitchens. But it was the 19th century migration of Indian laborers to the Caribbean, Africa, and Southeast Asia that truly helped curry spread. These laborers brought their culinary traditions with them, including the art of making curry, and local adaptations of the dish emerged. Whether it was the spicy, rich curries of Jamaica or the milder curries of Malaysia, curry became a versatile dish that could be adapted to suit regional tastes. Meanwhile, in Britain, curry became a national obsession. By the late 19th century, curry houses began to pop up in major cities, especially in London. The Indian restaurant industry exploded, and curry became a staple in British cuisine. One of the most famous British adaptations of curry is the chicken tikka masala, which is said to have been invented in the UK in the 1960s. The dish is often considered a national favorite and even described as Britain's national dish. As curry became more popular in the West, it continued to evolve. In the United States, curry was introduced by Indian and Southeast Asian immigrants in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. By the 1960s, curry began to appear on American menus, and its popularity grew throughout the 20th century. Today, curry is a global phenomenon, with countless regional variations that reflect the diverse culinary traditions of the world. Curry's global popularity can also be attributed to its health benefits. Spices like turmeric, which is a key ingredient in many curries, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Curry is not only flavorful, but it's also nutritious, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and other health-promoting compounds. In addition to its culinary influence, curry has also played a role in shaping global trade. The spice trade, which has existed for centuries, was largely responsible for the spread of curry across the world. Spices like black pepper, cardamom, and cumin traveled along trade routes, influencing the cooking traditions of many cultures. From its origins in India to its place in the kitchens of nearly every country, curry has truly revolutionized the way we eat. It's a dish that has crossed borders, adapted to new cultures, and become an essential part of global cuisine. Whether it's a spicy vindaloo, a fragrant Thai green curry, or a comforting bowl of Japanese curry rice, curry continues to captivate taste buds worldwide. So, the next time you enjoy a bowl of curry, remember the rich history behind this dish, a history of cultural exchange, colonialism, and culinary innovation. Curry isn't just a meal, it's a story of how food connects us all,